When it comes to improving your home's value, window installation is one of the most effective upgrades for homeowners in Nampa. While it may seem like a minor change, installing new, energy-efficient windows provides significant benefits that appeal to buyers and improve the comfort, efficiency, and overall aesthetics of your home. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to make a smart investment, here's how window installation can increase your home's value in Nampa. Boosts curb appeal. Your windows are one of the most visible features of your home. Outdated, worn, or damaged windows can make your property look tired and neglected, detracting from its overall appeal. Installing new windows instantly refreshes your home's appearance and enhances its curb appeal, making a positive first impression on potential buyers. Modern windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes that can complement any architectural design. From classic double-hung windows to sleek casement or picture windows, the right choices can elevate your home's look and make it stand out in the Nampa real estate market. Improves energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a major selling point for homebuyers in Nampa, where the climate features hot summers and cold winters. Older windows often lack proper insulation, allowing air to leak in and out of your home. This puts added strain on your HVAC system and increases energy costs. New energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane or triple-pane options with low E coatings and gas-filled insulation, minimize heat transfer and keep indoor temperatures stable year-round. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can lower your utility bills, reduce energy consumption, appeal to eco-conscious buyers who value sustainability. For potential buyers, the promise of lower energy costs makes your home far more attractive, adding measurable value. Enhances home comfort. Comfort is a top priority for homeowners and buyers alike. Drafty windows, temperature fluctuations, and poor insulation can make a home feel uncomfortable, no matter the season. Installing new windows eliminates drafts, reduces heat loss in the winter, and prevents excessive heat gain during the summer. This creates a consistently comfortable indoor environment. Features like soundproofing and UV protection further enhance comfort by reducing outside noise and protecting interior furnishings from sun damage. A home that feels comfortable and well-maintained leaves a lasting impression on potential buyers, increasing its perceived value. Reduces maintenance costs. Older windows, especially wooden ones, often require frequent maintenance, such as repainting, resealing, or repairing rot and damage. For many buyers, this ongoing upkeep can be a deterrent. Modern windows are made from durable, low-maintenance materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and aluminum. These materials resist warping, rotting, and fading, and they require minimal upkeep over time. For buyers, the promise of low-maintenance windows adds value by saving time and money. Increases natural light and aesthetics. Buyers love bright, airy homes with plenty of natural light. New windows can maximize the amount of light entering your home while providing stunning views of your outdoor surroundings. Options like large picture windows, bay or bow windows, and sliding glass doors can open up your space and make it feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. Additionally, clean, modern window designs can enhance the aesthetic appeal of both the interior and exterior of your home, further increasing its market value. Enhances security and safety. Security is a top concern for homeowners and buyers. Old, damaged windows can make your home an easy target for intruders. New windows come with advanced security features such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames and impact-resistant glass. These upgrades not only improve home safety but also give buyers added peace of mind, making your home a more attractive investment. Increases resale value. Window replacement offers one of the highest returns on investment, ROI, for home improvement projects. According to industry studies, homeowners can recoup up to 70–80% of the cost of new windows when selling their home. Energy-efficient windows, in particular, are highly valued in today's real estate market because they offer both immediate and long-term benefits. For Nampa homeowners looking to sell, new windows can set your property apart from the competition, helping it sell faster and at a higher price. Appeals to modern buyers. Today's buyers are looking for homes that are move-in ready, energy efficient, and stylish. Installing new windows signals to potential buyers that your home is well cared for and updated with modern features. By making this upgrade, you align your home with the expectations of buyers in Nampa, where energy efficiency and visual appeal are key factors influencing purchasing decisions. Invest in your Nampa home with new windows. Upgrading your windows is one of the smartest ways to increase your home's value, comfort, and appeal. From boosting curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and aesthetics, new windows provide a range of benefits that make your home stand out in the Nampa real estate market. If you're ready to invest in window installation, work with a professional team to ensure flawless results. Professional installers can help you choose the best energy-efficient options for your home and provide expert installation that maximizes performance and value. Don't wait. Elevate your home's value and appeal today with new, energy-efficient windows that deliver lasting benefits for you and future buyers.